Good morning, guys, and God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Happy Sunday, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day, first of all, with your friends, family, or if you are working, I hope you're having a great day at work. And as always, thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. So what are we going to be talking about today, Carlos? Today's video is going to be pretty much over a dressing. For those who have followed my channel, you guys know that I am very stuck on Aqua Gloss. Many videos I have done for tire dressing, I have used Aqua Gloss for interiors, Aqua Gloss for plastics, Aqua Gloss, right? Just recently, I had a gentleman by the name of Thomas Shaggy, who's a viewer on my YouTube channel, sent me a product. And many of you guys have probably seen this product around, all right? He sent me just a sample, a bottle. And this is by Majestic Solutions, all right? And this one's called Poly Protectant, right? He's used it already, he likes it, but the main reason I believe he sent it to me, because he keeps repeating it, is I want to see it working on that detail gun, right? So this video is actually going to be me using the detail gun with this product here, all right? Now, I have been using this product for a good couple of days. Do I like it? I do. I'm going to show you why I like it. I haven't tried the detail gun method yet, so the review is going to be based off comparing the Aqua Gloss, right? I'm going to compare a little bit of the Aqua Gloss with this one, how it performs, how it reacts, and let's see what we can, what I'm able to give you guys back as feedback. I'm going to be talking about a price, and as well as, you know, just the overall, I guess, first impression out of the detail gun. What do I think about it? And you know, you never know, this could be a great product for some of you guys, and for some of us this probably isn't the best product to purchase, and we'll get into those details, so stay tuned. We'll be right back. Alrighty, guys, so I have already cleaned out this door panel, right? And I'm gonna pour some of this product into the detail gun. Many people ask, hey Carlos, how do you clean out your detail gun, or how do you maintain your detail? Oh, whoops. I've been going, I think, for about a year with this gun, maybe a little bit more, I could be wrong, and it hasn't broken down on me yet. So what I tend to do usually when I want to clean it, I throw some paint thinner in there just to kind of clean it out. I know that's probably the wrong way, but I just throw some paint thinner on there. All right. So I filled it up about halfway. My PSI is actually around 45 PSI. So it is a very low right now. Right off the bat, the product is real watery. So, you know, if you're looking for a product that is thick, this probably will not be the one. But here we go. All right, so right off the bat, I can see that this product, if you're using the detail gun, it's going to be very smoky, and I don't know if that'll make sense, but it'll be very smoky. So just know that out of the detail gun, it has a lot of like, it looks like smoke. Is that, I guess, overspray? Some people will say it's overspray, but I'm excited to see it out of the detail gun. I've sprayed it just physically with the bottle, and it did really well. Now I want to see how it performs out of the detail gun. So here we go. And I hope the camera can catch it. So here we go. We'll do this right here. Nice. Not bad. So out of the detail gun, I honestly believe I can bring down the PSI even more, so it doesn't do too much overspray maybe. It smells amazing. It's, the leather, it's like leather scent, but it smells really, really good. I mean, I can smell it. I love how it just grabs on contact, but this is actually really good. I mean, I can't really complain. I totally forgot a towel, but let me kind of bring you guys in so you guys can see a little bit of how that that it gives you that gloss, and I don't know if the camera will catch it, but that is really nicely. Let's spray a spray right there, and hopefully you guys can see. That's a really nice. The shine is not like overbearing. It is like nice. It says not greasy, and that doesn't feel greasy at all. Obviously there's still some areas here that are wet, but once this dries, it is not greasy whatsoever. That is not greasy. So that's a plus. It is not greasy at all. So overall, out of the detail gun, it did quite well. It did really well. Let's try another door panel so you guys can see. All right, so this is the driver's side. My fiance, my wife is gonna be like, why is my car all spotty? But we're gonna go ahead and hit it right in this area, and hopefully we can see it in action, or how it just dries off. So here we go. It smells amazing, to be honest. So that is one thing I will say, is obviously it's a lot of smoke that it produces out of the detail gun, but you might want to wear a respirator when you use a detail gun, just to be on the safe side. But it is drying up right here already, and that is not greasy at all. And once it dries out, guys, it really dries off really, really nice. So I like it. I really do. It works pretty well. And I apologize if my voice sounds weird. I had my first soccer game yesterday, which we won. And, you know, as a coach, I scream a lot, but we won. But alrighty, now let's give it the final thoughts on this product and let you guys be the decision makers. Alrighty guys, so one of the benefits, I guess to end this video, one of the benefits I love about using a detail gun is very minimal product was used. There is still a lot, and I don't know, let me see if I can bring this camera down a little bit. There is still a lot of product in there, and I really didn't use a lot. So that's, I guess, one of the benefits of using a detail gun. But let me pour it back into this bottle, and I'll just kind of give you guys my final thoughts on this. So overall, I think for this 32-ounce bottle, it's $9. $9, guys, for this bottle. So which is amazing. Their gallon, and of course I'm doing a mess. Let me just put this down before I spill all this product everywhere. And a gallon is around $20. All right, so Superior Aqua Gloss, this gallon is $35 usually at your local O'Reilly's. You order it usually, sometimes same day you can get it, or next day shipping, and it's around $34. Now correct me if I'm wrong on the price. Superior Products, I love your stuff. All right, so this gallon is $35. Now I looked into the gallon of Majestic, and I actually wrote stuff down before I start saying different things. All right, so $35 for Superior. All right, and the gallon of Majestic Solutions, this poly protectant, the gallon is $20. $20, guys. So I was excited when I looked into the product, because after I tried it the first couple of days, I was like, I have to look into it, and I was excited. I saw $20. I said, yes, this is definitely cheaper than Aqua Gloss. So I was excited. So here is where I think for myself and maybe for other viewers, The Majestic solution is a great product. I'm not gonna knock it down at all. Where I can maybe say, this is where I was kind of a little bit upset, but at the end of the day, businesses are businesses. They have to make their money. All right, so I went ahead and input all my information like I was gonna buy a gallon, right? Now, the gallon was $20. The total with shipping and handling went up to $41 and I think like 47 cents for the gallon. Right then and there, I was like, oh no, this won't work for me. That's a lot. So pretty much I think I'm paying the full shipping. As to other companies, I think they pay some sort of shipping kind of to help you. So if you're wanting a gallon of this, maybe if you live in their state, which I think Raleigh, North Carolina, if you live there, obviously you guys can get this for the low cost. But for people like me that live out of state, that's a lot of shipping, a lot of cost. So that's where I'll say I wasn't really excited to purchase that anymore. So for that case, I'll stick with Aqua Gloss Superior. So I will be going by later on and put another order in. So overall, guys, I mean, this product, it's good for leather, it's good for plastics, it's good for your seals, it's great for tire dressing, you know, even engine bays. It's really good. It's an overall product, just like Superior. The gloss it gives you as it dries, it's really nice. It's not greasy, all right? And it helps restore dull, dried leather, and it just gives it that luster that it deserves. Like I said, it's great on tires. It creates slow sling on them. It's VOC compliant, and like I said, it's not greasy. And this part, it says dirt repellency for ATVs. So I guess if you go off-roading and you spray plastics and stuff, it's really well on that. But overall, guys, I was really impressed by this product. All right, by no means am I knocking it down, because it really impressed me. It leaves a nice look, especially out of the detail gun. It did really good. Obviously, you would have to lower the PSI maybe a little bit more to maybe 40 PSI. So it just produces that nice pressure and a little bit of less smoking or overspray, maybe, I guess, for those that might say it's overspray. But overall, guys, I mean, I'm not gonna sit here and bash the product, because the product put a smile on my face. I loved it, but that shipping part is where I was like, I wouldn't buy it again. Obviously, this was free, so thank you so much, Mr. Thomas. God bless you for sending it to me. Maybe, you never know, maybe they bring down the cost of the shipping, and I'll definitely buy it. But you know, I thought shipping and handling was gonna be maybe like 26, you know, 27. I'm okay with that. But $40 total, I was like, yeah, that won't work. At that price, I'll get Superior products and I'll get it next day for probably less. All right, so overall, I hope you guys have a blessed Sunday. I hope this review helped you, Mr. Thomas. I hope you liked it, seeing it through the gun. Again, thank you so much for sending me this product, and I'll see you guys on the next video.